Okay, so just to bounce off of yesterday, and Denise told me to find my facts out and get my life together and tell her about the bridges. So Oregon has the largest covered bridges, or amount of covered bridges in the West, and one of the largest in the nation. And we're close, so we'll be driving by. Layla, you look so bored right now, because what do you want to do?
Eat this.
So this might look like brownies, but this is actually the gyro meat that I said that I was going to be making. So it's KK, which one you want? It's really hot, be careful. So this is goat meat and spices and grated onions that you squeeze the water out of. And anyway, I didn't know what to film today because we have so many things going on. It's Shabbat, or Shabbat starts tonight for us, and so we prep and we cook all of our food and we clean our house, and that's what we do to prepare to rest. So yeah, do you like it, girls? Okay, so they said that the goat does taste exactly like lamb and beef put together, and they said that this meat tastes like what?
Gyro meat. Yes.
It tastes like gyro? It tastes like the kind you get at the restaurant and stuff?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And the ones that you usually make.
The one that I usually make?
Yeah.
Okay.
The meat that you usually make.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some tzatziki sauce, and Chilo's at the store right now, and he has to get yogurt because I've been slacking on my kefir life, and so I wanted to try kefir with it because it tastes a lot like the lemon and the yogurt mixed together already. And so just adding the dill and maybe a little bit of yogurt, or not yogurt, but lemon and garlic would make it taste. Now, Layla. Anyway, it would make it taste yummy because the girls aren't a big fan of kefir otherwise. So we have to go get some. Actually, somebody's at my door right now, so I've got to go. Go let Noah in. Okay. All right. Bye, guys. Happy beta day 5.